Hey y'all, welcome back to King Family Cattle. It's been a little while. I started a new job back over the summer. It's a lot closer to home. It's full time, but it's less hours compared to where I was. So you'd think I'd have more time to do these videos and be on the farm and stuff, right? No. The hours have kind of shifted to the time frame each day where I would normally be at the farm or at the sale doing something like that. So it's kind of prohibited me from accomplishing a lot like I'd hoped to when I took this job, but you know, life happens. Anyway, I'm taking this opportunity to do something I've been wanting to do for a while, and that is go to a sale. I'm at the gas station right now. I got the trailer hooked up, and we're gonna head about 25 miles down the road, go to a sale. I don't know what we're gonna be after. Obviously, I'd love to get some pairs, but who knows? The market's so crazy. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so we finally made it. It's about a 25-minute drive. We're gonna walk up here on the catwalk and see what they got going on before we go inside. So these are the pens where cattle are brought in by the horses just before moving into the sale ring. They're grouped together or separated. Pairs are grouped together, and then finally they'll get a weight, and the vet will preg them just before they move into the ring, confirm them what stage or if they're open.
So 57, George, 14. 652 here. 65, $6 down, $55 down, money, we're going $6 down, $7 up, $7 to 8 down, 58 high, 16 high, sir, down, 59 down, dead 71, $1, 71, sir, now 71, $2, 72, $2 down, 3 down, now 73, $2 down, 3 down, 73 down, 73, $3 bid, 4, now 74, $4 down, with that, 4, 74, 73, 4, so 73, that's Mr. Bill Smith.
So this is one of the loadouts here, usually where the trailers back up to. It's got a couple smaller pens that they can sort cattle off of and into the trailers. A couple cowboys, a cowgirl, run them out of the sale barn and into these holding pens that are assigned to buyers until they're picked up. Usually our calf buyers that buy these big pot loads are loaded on the other side with a semi-chute. Here they come. Come on. Go find mama. All right, it's the next morning since we dropped these new cows off. We're out here, we're gonna check on them, give them a little bit of hay. I don't have time to get the tractor out and get them a round bale out here today, but I do have a few squares we're gonna throw out here for them. Well, it looks like the donkeys have helped themselves to that last hay bale. Well, it looks like everybody's doing okay, settling in well. I got these 4 bales out for the cows. The donkeys are gonna get this 5th one. They got their salt, mineral, and water. It's a beautiful day outside, not hardly a cloud in the sky. I'm gonna leave these kids to settle in, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. It means a lot to me. Have a good one.